the ideal investor pitch deck and presentation as shared by Mr. Ratan Tata. Investor pitch decks can be the most important document for a startup founder. Some find it difficult to represent their idea, vision, or business in just a few slides, and that's why Mr. Ratan Tata, one of India's foremost business tycoons, shared a template that can help. In his notes, he mentions that the entire document should flow like a story and that it is essential to include data to support all claims and insights. Welcome to the Super Startups YouTube channel and this video on the ideal investor pitch deck from Mr. Ratan Tata himself. Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to this channel for more startup insights, advice and tips. Head to superstartupsasia.com to learn about Asia's largest democratically voted award and how you too can be a part of the Hall of Fame. Mr. Tata's template is available for free download. The link is mentioned in the description below. Do remember to add any slides or details you feel are imperative for your business, as each investor deck is unique to the size and progress of a company. Problem. What is the problem you're trying to solve? Validate the problem with real-life examples. Every business has a gap in the market that they're trying to solve. Explain how you identified the insight that was the basis for your idea, the core issues, and any data that supports this as well. Solution. What is your solution to the problem? Once you've established that there is a problem, explain how you're going to address it and what steps you've taken in that direction already. Unique selling proposition. What characteristics make your solution a never-before solution? While the gap in the market or problem identified may be the same as another founder or company, how you execute your idea is key. With your USP, can you prove that your approach is entirely novel in your market as well? Competition and barrier to entry. How do the current solutions compare with yours? How easy is it to replicate your solution? What category of competitors do you belong to? A competitor map can be based on customers, traction in the market, business offering, and more. This slide is to establish not only whether you're better or smarter, but in fact to show that you're aware of the competitive landscape, of regulatory policy or law, and how you plan to learn and adapt and stay ahead. The revenue model. How do you make money off your solution, such as subscription model, direct sales, ad-based revenues? What are your 3 to 5 year projections? What are your top cash burn reasons? Once you've established the need, the solution, the competitive landscape, you've set the stage to put across your business model, the way you generate ROI, its efficiency, and streams of revenue. How do you plan to grow? What market factors will aid your progress and be backed by numbers? Where do you see your business in the next 3 to 5 years? Be practical. Mention numbers based on the market size, other players, their revenues, demand, and additional customer insights. Planning your cash outflow also helps to see how you will achieve targets, whether that's buying inventory, marketing, or even developing technology. Do you have some insights or suggestions to share about this? Drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Target market. Focus on the size of the market versus the percentage you are targeting. Do granular profiling of your customer, such as age, geography, purchase habits, personal traits. What channels will you use to get to this market? Leap of faith, or as Mr. Tata says in his notes, do you think so? Or is it because your target market said so? Tell the investor who you are planning to sell the product to. Proper segregation of demographic and psychographic details as well. Which platforms and channels will you make use of, and what data or insights support your choices and direction too? Your product or service. Explain how your product or service adds value. Try and explain in layman terms. Ideally, anyone reading the slide should understand it. A value proposition statement details how your product or service solves, improves problems, what benefits customers can expect, and why customers should buy from you over your competitors. Keep this simple and as precise as your elevator pitch. Milestones. List out the milestones you have reached so far, such as prototypes, patents, pilots, etc. Write about the milestones for the next 1, 3, and 5 years if possible. Mention the milestones or what you would do if you got funded. A vision with a deadline is a goal, and a measurable goal backed by data is a milestone. An investor should be shown why you've decided the milestones, how you will achieve them, and data that supports this too. While some milestones should be easily achievable, put down a few ambitious ones too that you plan to hit. Funding so far. Mention funds raised through other investors and soft commitments. It helps to build credibility and validation. Mention realistic numbers for expected funding. While it's best if you are able to have skin in the game, which means your own money invested, here mention if any other investors are involved, any commitments made to the company or founder, and a brief pipeline of funding requirements for the company. The team. Introduce your founding members. Along with credentials, you can mention why they are involved. Exhibit unity in thinking and strategy. While the founder may be the driving force behind the business, an experienced and energetic team is the essential base to build an idea and business. A good idea must be backed by great execution, and an investor deck is only a part of multiple processes that you have to stay on top of. We hope this video analyzing the deck shared by Mr. Ratan Tata was as interesting to break down as it was for us to prepare. Mr. Tata ended the presentation with a parting note. As long as there is fire in your heart, you will find a way. We hope you enjoyed this video on the ID Investor Pitch Deck as shared by Mr. Ratan Tata, and look forward to you subscribing to the Super Startups channel and dropping a comment with your experience or thoughts as well. Head to superstartupsasia.com to learn more about Asia's only democratically voted startup award and how you can be part of the Winners Hall of Fame too. Thanks for watching.